Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Karnataka. Karnataka has got a great and long history. Several empires ruled the state and left behind their architectural legacy and heritage. All these dynasties at some point contributed in unique culture and values. And among all of it, one dynasty called Vijayanagara Empire left huge impact on arts and literature. Their legacy is displayed by several huge and beautiful monuments all around the Deccan Plateau. And one such example is Hampi. And today, I have brought you to this place which is also a legacy of this great empire. The place today I have come to is Gudibande Fort. Now before I tell you more about this fort, let us discuss where is this fort situated. So this fort is located in the Chikaballapura District of Karnataka. And it is pretty close to historical site named as Lepakshi, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So if you are traveling here from Bangalore, then it is 90 to 95 kilometers away from the city. You need to take NH44, which is Srinagar to Kanyakumari highway, also known as Bangalore Hyderabad highway. Okay, so there is no designated parking for this fort. Looks like it's all open and you have to park your vehicles right here at your own risk. So I came from there. I parked my vehicle here and I see all the bikes are parked here. So that's pretty much it. And that's there the fort. And we have to climb all the way to the top. Almost reached 50% on our way up, and it seems to me this fort is taken over by the nature. See, this is kind of like hidden route. Okay, we have this gate here. This is the first gate I have encountered. This looks like kind of like watchtower for guards. Wow, look at this. This is sculpted so strategically. Look what we have got here. This is definitely an escape route. Let's go that side and check out. It's a little dark here. To get out of here, we have to crawl a bit. This fort is strategically built, and that's why you see this one of the escape routes for the soldiers in an emergency. Wow, look at this. These huge boulders, and how they have carved out all these routes is really fascinating. Nice. It's so cool here. Okay, so this looks to me like third gate. Looks like hideout. We have got one more gate here. We have here Lord Hanuman. Look at that. That is a rock pond. There are like 19 rock ponds in this fort. And you see that small route? That is definitely one of the escape route. Look at that. Ah. See the way right there, how they have carved out these steps in between these two huge boulders. Wow, look at this. So tiny steps they have carved out. This is the beauty of Vijayanagara style. This is fascinating. We are on the top. Now these are the sweet gestures from the lovebirds to prove how true their love is. Interesting, isn't it? So on top of this I see only two things. One is this hall kind of structure and other is the temple. So this looks to something like this from inside. Let's go ahead. Okay, there's nothing but dirt inside. It is the responsibility of everybody to maintain and keep the heritage as it is. But no. But this is beautiful. These pillars, these are authentic Vijayanagara style pillars which you will find in southern part of the country like Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka and Kerala. There's a heavy breeze right here and see the landscape. So this is one temple which I was talking about. This is a Shiva temple and it is believed to be one of the jyotirlingas out of 108 jyotirlingas. And it is also said that it was installed by Vishwamitra and Lord Rama. There is a huge area on the top of the fort. See, such a beautiful land. You don't get to see this every day if you live in a city. This fort was built in 17th century by a ruler called Byre Gowda. Byre Gowda was a chief of the local tribe and he was extremely popular among the Puars. Though he could rule for only 3 years, he left behind a legacy such as this fort and several water conservation techniques. Now, there was something unique about this ruler. He always looted the rich and helped the poor, and this was something that riches did not like, and it is believed that they conspired against him and got him killed while he was asleep. It started raining. The weather is quite cool. I'm a bit drenched now. So this is a multi-level story fort. It was constructed strategically keeping in mind several factors. It is also said that Byre Gowda was inspired from one of the famous forts in Karnataka called Madhugiri Fort, and he tried to build the replica of it. Now this fort has 7 levels and each level has at least one escape gate which was designed for soldiers to escape in an emergency situation. Also, there are 19 rock ponds in this fort alone. Huh? You know, I just fell off there pretty bad. Just slipped like anything. And this is after rain. Oh my goodness. This is a very slippery place. I just slipped the second time right here. You see this? And I'm not going to do this mistake again. See man, after rain it has become so pleasant and it's looking beautiful. So this is one of the other watchtower. I came from there and here. Looks like something is there. Though I'm not sure, maybe there is some kind of room or something. Oh look what we have here. So tiny. Go inside. Nice. Wow. A brilliant place for a hideout. We have something more here, taken over by nature. It looks to be like this is a sunset point, but I have no intention to wait for that long. Okay guys, that was all about Gudibande Fort. I hope you like this place and one day you'll pay a visit here. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.